wonder how you got a voicemail and it never ever rang? Well, let me show you how to do this. And as realtors, it works really, really well. But today we are going to do it to my wife instead. So we use an app called Slydial. All right, and all you're going to do, open up the app. So a couple different options from this screen right here. You can either go to your favorites and call somebody if you wanted to just leave them a voicemail and didn't want to talk to them because your mama talks too much or whatnot. Or you can go in through right here and say, I've got a phone number. I don't really know the person I want to call, and say, we accept your counter because you talk to it much, Mr. Realtor, or whatever it is. You know, it could be your aunt that you don't have in your contacts. Or go to your contact list right here and then just call any of your contacts that you have already in there, so I can call them from right there. And then lastly is the different audios you have actually already recorded. So I've got a couple birthday ones. So I've got a late birthday and a regular birthday one. So I can call and send them and tell them happy birthday off of here and not ever have to talk to the person. It's, you know, it's meaningful, but I'm busy. All right, so we're gonna call my wife. Yes, she still is rashing my phone. I've not changed it because I'm just waiting for her to leave me one day. It's a joke. All right, so I'm here. I click right here. So now I'm gonna call her.
Slydial is now connecting you to this person's voicemail. Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 8221 is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey honey, I just wanted to tell you that I love you and I can't wait to see you tonight. Love you, smooches, bye. She's definitely gonna know something's up, but now I just sent them a ringless voicemail. Now it doesn't work on a landline and you can't leave voicemails if their voicemail box is full, duh. But it does work. Now, next thing that we're gonna do after this video is we're gonna do the Sly broadcast, and that's gonna call a lot of different people all at the exact same time. So say you're having an event and you don't wanna talk to anybody, you can call them all at the exact same time. Look, she's already called me back. So we use Slydial as a great way to be a little bit more productive in real estate, whether it's countering a transaction or telling somebody, hey, I need this and I wanna leave it as a voicemail versus talking to them. Great way to use that, contacts, clients, other agents, things like that. So let me know what else you are wanting to see to be able to be a little bit more productive as an agent, and I'll be glad to show you out here.